Hello everyone, take 2 of this video. Someone disturbed me in the middle of the last video. This video is on volumes of pyramids. Frustum, what is a frustum? Basically, if you cut a pyramid into 2 pieces through the middle, and you're cutting it in a way that it's parallel to the ground, then you will produce an upper part, which is called a pyramid also, a smaller pyramid this time. And the bottom part is not a pyramid, it's called a frustum. So the bottom is called the frustum. That's what's a frustum. So how do we find that volume, right? Well, basically, we're gonna make use of minus subtraction. If you think about it, the big pyramid, you can find the volume based on what you learned last time. And if you subtract the top side, like you cut it away, what's left is gonna be the frustum, right? So we're gonna do that exactly. I'll do question 8. So, I don't like separating my steps because you don't like doing that too. I'm going to put it into one step. The larger pyramid, that one, is gonna be 1/3 times base area. It's a square, right? So 7 times 7. The base of the larger pyramid is here, 7 times 7. Times the height of the larger pyramid, 14, minus the smaller pyramid on the top. So again, 1/3 because it's a pyramid. The base of the smaller pyramid is over here, not 7. It's 4. 4. So it's 4 times 4 because it's a square. And the height is shorter now, 8. Okay, so we put all of these in the calculator, and let's see what we get. We would get 186 cm square. We're talking about, cube volume. Okay, cm cube. Okay, let's try another question. Okay, let's do this. C. So this time it's an upside down pyramid. Same thing. We need to find the largest pyramid volume. This one over here. 1/3 because it's a pyramid. The base is a square again. So this one here is length of 10 times width 10 times the height. The height is a combination of 6 and 14. So you can write 6 plus 14 here. Minus the smaller pyramid over here, 1/3 times 7 times 7. The height is 14. Put all of them in your calculator. Okay, people are crazy outside. Are you guys that crazy in your PE lesson? I got 438 cm cubed. The last question for this video is somewhat like this maybe. What if you have an unknown, right? So it's basically what you did in the volume of a pyramid, but this time it's a frustum. Okay, I'm just going to do A because B is already well explained in the last 2 questions. Again, it's a square. They love using squares for some reason. X is here, the height of the smaller pyramid. So pretend we're finding the volume. Is it given? Oh no, you didn't learn this one yet. Oh wait, it's similar triangles. This is related to similar triangles. Anyways, I'll teach you then. So similar triangles like this. This is one triangle. This is another that is similar. Basically, they have the same angles because you learn corresponding law and then parallel over here. Basically, the midpoint formula thingy, midpoint theorem. Okay, so what we can do is, for the big triangle, it's having a height of x plus 3 divided by the smaller triangle's height, which is x, equals to the big triangle base over here is 3, and then divided by 2. So we gotta solve x this way, cross multiplication. X plus 3 times 2, 3 times x. So rainbow method is 2x plus 6 equals to 3x. Solve x, you would get x equals to 6. Now I want to double check my answer if I'm doing it properly. This is classwork 3, question number 3. Yep, we got 6. Alright, so that is that. That's how you get the unknown. You have to use similar triangle, unfortunately. But again, what I did is you separate into a big triangle, and small triangle, right? For the big triangle, the height here is x plus 3 divided by the smaller triangle's height, which is just x, equals to another dimension that you can find. So it says here. Now, why is it 3 and not 6, right? Okay, you could be asking that. So let's say the triangle looks like this. That's how the triangle is made. So you can put 3, this is 3, half of 6, and then this is 2, half of 4. 3 divided by 2, and just solve x. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.